Hey everyone, this is KaiNexus product expert Matt Banna here with KaiNexus customer enablement manager Ryan Rippey. We're thrilled to share a huge release with improvements that everyone's been asking for.
That's right, Matt. There's 18 improvements that have been added in KaiNexus release. Let's take a look at the biggest.
Thanks, Ryan. First, we want to show off some UI updates that we've made. We've made a ton of subtle but sleek changes to the KaiNexus interface. First, you'll notice that the notification bell has been moved from the upper right-hand corner now toward the center by the search bar. We've also moved the dashboard editing menu from the left to the right-hand side of the screen. Another big addition is the ellipses. The ellipses replaces the gear icon in KaiNexus, and you'll see this everywhere. The ellipses means that there are more options available. Examples of where you'll see the ellipses show up are on boards and cards, as well as in the Improvements, Projects, and Tasks menu. You'll see in a project example the additional options such as export, transfer, and copy are now under the ellipses and reorganized for ease of use. Next, we've overhauled the Create button. Clicking the Create button gives a completely different view. You can now nest improvements, projects, and tasks in folders to create any list you want. Here, we've made a list called Improvements, where we've nested our A3 and our Just Do It. Now, these lists are completely customizable and you can name them whatever you want. This is really great for organizing your templates to fit your workflow. You can even restrict templates to only be created inside of other templates. For example, if we go to our parts presentation, A3, our ever favorite that we always go back to, we can add a countermeasure task that'll only show up inside this A3. So if we go to add this task and hit create, it'll automatically jump right into countermeasure. Now, if we want to make our A3 look like an A3, now we can really do that with customized layout. We'll jump over to storage organization to show the difference. Now, you can work with your KaiNexus account representative to put a personalized touch on your A3 to make sure it looks just like your paper forms. We can see here that there's 2 columns, we have all the fields that we need, and it'll fit on our 11 by 17 A3 size paper.
Awesome, Matt. Thanks. While we're here, I really like our next feature. Users can now like, acknowledge, or bookmark an improvement, project, or task, as well as like or acknowledge a comment from the comments section. These comments can also be liked or acknowledged from the notifications window. Use these buttons to say that you love an awesome idea or that you saw a comment that was directed to you. These are even filterable in cards and your improvement projects and tasks lists. If we go over into our improvements and we want to see specifically my improvements that have been bookmarked, we can now do so. You can create a list with all bookmarked projects or improvements you want to highlight in your Monday morning meetings. Our last major improvement of this release is Gantt View. We're excited to be releasing this frequently asked for feature. Users can now look at a Gantt view in the improvement project or task list, as well as create a card on a board in Gantt View. Gantt View is a really great way to keep track of projects, improvements, and tasks on a timeline.
Thanks, Ryan. As we said last release, make sure you check out our customer blog at blog.kainexus.com/customer. It'll show you advanced KaiNexus techniques, and be sure to utilize our support site if you need help at support.kainexus.com. We also have our next webinar, our 16th edition of Ask Us Anything, on October 17th at 1 p.m. Eastern. Go ahead and sign up at kainexus.com/webinars. Lastly, please subscribe to our continuous improvement blog on iTunes or wherever you get your podcasts. We put a lot of work into it, and we hope you enjoy. This has been Matt Banna and Ryan Rippey with KaiNexus.
Keep improving, everybody.